Alright, boys. Oof. Oh my god. It is super cold. It's like -7. As you know, as well. How's it feel?
It feels great, dude. I'm so excited about this.
Really? That's
It's
sick.
about to be dope.
Hell yeah. I can't believe you're going for springs.
I mean,
That's not bad.
I was gonna get some coils, but I was just like, I'd rather throw the grand at the fucking Z4M front end right now, so
Yeah.
at least that's the plan. 2 inches of drop.
That's sick.
I think the Z4 stock struts are actually really, like, they seem stiff. So.
I mean, when you sit in this car, it's already like low, right?
Yeah.
It already feels low. Like, yeah, it's just about.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Holy fuck.
But I don't know, because like when like you look at it from afar, I was just like, I guess my S6 was like, I thought the ride height was like maybe an inch lower than how this thing is stock, so.
What year is it again?
2005?
Oh yeah.
I don't know, we were just doing a lot of color mock-ups and like,
I
I don't want to run black wheels.
I haven't fully decided what I want to do to my E46, like
Oh,
for
wait, you
color.
haven't yet? Have you finished it yet?
No, it's just been too cold.
Yeah.
We've been doing just
You at least
like,
have this place, thankfully.
yeah, me and my friend. Yeah, me and my friend have just been like working on the cars straight up outside, and lately it's just been getting too cold to do some stuff. So I've just been kind of just stacking money, saving up.
Yeah.
Because I'm planning on hoping and getting a shop this summer or like by the end of summer,
Yeah.
and I can
That'd be
continue with the stuff. Yeah.
You can
so
move everything there and kind of just do things way easier.
that's the
I mean, we're
biggest
thankful
thing.
we have this place at least, but
Oh
I
yeah.
mean, it's just this fucking paper warehouse.
No, I feel
Don't
it.
swap that. When they're low inventory, we always thought about having car shows in here. It'd be dope. Like,
Actually, it probably doesn't have control arms like that anyways.
Wait, who owns this spot?
he's the manager.
I'm the manager.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh hell yeah.
He's the manager.
That's why I own RS5, man.
So long for no reason.
Fucking
really
Christ,
is.
guy.
Why does it have to have so many that much thread? Why can't it be like
Yeah, I
a
feel like it
solid
could just be a.
space, like some ordinary bolt?
I don't know. Drives like a BMW engineer. Definitely.
Oh wait,
And Link.
this doesn't look OEM.
Yeah.
I honestly feel like someone has messed with this before and just bought this out of a hardware store. Same size thread and just slipped it in.
I don't know how we're gonna get him in. That's the only thing.
Danger.
Oh no, it's already fucking. I took that bolt out and it's already. I don't know if you can pop it out.
Oh.
If I leg it.
Yeah, if you put.
More. More.
I just
Way more, man.
way more, bro.
Go out to eat or something. Shit. Nah, you ain't heavy enough.
Huh?
You ain't heavy enough.
Alright, well,
Let's try.
Let me stand. I used to weigh like 200, but now I'm like 198.
Our boys fit.
Oh, nice.
It came out. Holy fuck!
It worked, no offense.
Where was he? I don't know which one was which anymore.
You got spin on it.
We need to lube.
Right here.
Oh,
I heard money.
money.
No doubt.
Sweet.
Alright,
And then the suspension's done.
That is stupid.
I don't want
easier than
I don't want to hear anyone ever complain ever again about owning a BMW.
Everyone fucking hates
Don't
working
buy-
on BMWs.
Don't buy fucking Audis.
Yeah, I'll just so harder.
Right? It's just a bulb in a headlight. I don't know what car. I think it's a Q5. But they
Why would they
estimated
do
time 2 hours just to replace a bulb, a headlight, just a bulb for the headlight on an Audi.
Yeah.
The
They're gonna call back because there's this one bolt that pulls the bumper in
Yeah.
onto the headlight, and you need an extension like this long.
I saw a
You have to go
YouTube
in the
video.
line.
It's
You're
fucked.
fucking bitch, dude. I never even put that bolt back in on the S6.
I did on mine. Dude, it looked like I was fucking emo. I had all these cuts from the fender liner trying to like reach my hand in.
Oh
Don't
my
need it.
god.
They do look like H&R.
Yeah, they actually do look H&R.
Because H&R puts the label on the side like that.
Yeah.
Dude, I spent $400 on my H&R.
Really?
They were stupid light, but because they were like magnesium, they fucking seized on the hubs. That's exactly.
So is that going on for the first time? The next once you take off the wheel again for any reasons, there are gonna be stuff on.
Oh, it's gonna be miserable.
It's gonna be miserable. You just gotta get a flathead, kind of like sledge it out.
I think it's interesting that the shocks don't have a
Oh, you can go ahead.
Does that look better?
Definitely better. This needs to settle in.
Oh, e-brake. Yep. You always get disappointed and you're like, oh fuck, e-brake.
Is it stiff? I think it's pretty stiff.
Definitely a little lower.
It's also only one corner.
Yeah.
What's the other side look like?
It's definitely lower. You can see the car leaning back.
Yeah.
Wait, Tacoma.
So the wires inside Toyotas for insulation.
So it made out of soybean.
Really?
Yeah. So the mice eat it.
They like the taste.
Oh my! So that's why there's a lot. So that's why that's a
why you
common
get so many
thing.
calls about it. Yeah.
That's why that's common for
You
Toyotas.
should probably make those wires less tasty.
I
In our
put some
Tacoma
salt
truck,
on it.
Yeah.
I pulled a full nest out of the fucking intake. There was
Holy-
no mice though. It ate it.
Holy-
Luckily, it's an 01 Tacoma, so it keeps running.
I can't wait to tell customers that.
Some sort of spray that you can hit it with.
Well, yeah, I heard there's a spray or something, whatever, but
Or you put Irish Spring soap bars.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
I think it's for deer. For eating your
For
vegetables
deer.
or something. I think that's a different wives' tale.
We'll get by, baby. We'll get by, baby. Yeah. We'll get by, baby.
How are you gonna hold this? Hold what? Hold that from spinning.
Use vices.
Is that the right size?
Yeah. Hold it with a vice. Right there.
Alright, fine, Taylor.
I'd hold it where the cutout is.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, that'd be nice.
Genius.
Yeah. You cut that, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Alright, is this good?
Yeah.
It's working. You sure?
Yeah.
Looks like it's spinning. Oh, well, yeah, probably did. You got a flashlight? Yeah. Alright, keep going. Oh, that's nice.
Is it working?
Oh, that's nice.
That's why I made this socket, dude.
Custom sock. Alright, that's good. Alright! Woo!
Almost like it was made for that.
BMW!
Was that maxed out? Or could it go more?
No, it definitely was maxed.
It was.
It's pretty. It's got 4 or 5 thirds.
It's a party!
That's way too carried away.
And then these are stuck on them when you take it all apart.
I'll fucking kill you.
I'm like, no! Fuck all this. Alright,
Well, that was stupid.
what do you guys think?
Yeah. Let's
a
see. Let's see how low we go. The other side still has to be done. What?
Just left the fucking hub on the fucking ground.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just pull
Lift
it
it
up. Lift it up.
Be weak.
There's just some cables in the way.
That is whole. Two.
You think it's gonna...
No. I think it should be good.
I mean, I know the wheel fitment's not bad, but the tires are kind of big.
Looks way better.
It's like, fuck your end, like, no, just tap it here. Can you hit it? No.
This is some shit I would definitely do if anything.
Yeah, it works really good.
It works really good. And
I
it's,
think you made one for an O2 sensor too. I don't know if they sell that.
Oh.
I don't really know.
they don't sell them like this. I mean, maybe in a foreign country, probably like Europe or France, you probably find them.
How could I fuck with it?
It's kind of weird ass thing.
Oh, and it still works, huh?
Welded, yeah.
That's
O2
crazy.
sensors, man. The ones that are a bitch on the
long ones?
downpipe.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Because there's not super a lot of room in the A3s.
Yeah, yeah. That is some DIY shit. I'm actually hyped on that.
Stupid ass
That's
fucking-
sick.
No. Alright, here you go.
There you go.
Alright, yeah, just for the record, I did not do that on the other side, so that's definitely not lined up right.
Yeah, you did.
No, it's not lined up.
I'm sure.
I really just looked.
He's right.
The nubby's supposed to come through here.
Yeah.
Alright, whatever. We just gotta spin the top hat after.
Yeah, this is solid.
Alright, I didn't do it. To be fair, I had a 1 out of 3 chance, so that's not.
What does that nubby do? Does it just hold it in place?
Yeah, I'd probably.
It looks like you can adjust something.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm looking at. It looks like an Allen head.
Well, if it
What?
doesn't actually mess with the fitment, because it's actually. Yeah. Alright, that's pretty good. That went
I got the nuts right here.
Oh, did he? What the fuck are these?
I got 2.
That's for their end.
Why is it so small? Volkswagens are usually, I think 19s, right?
17.
No, dude. Remember we had to make like a 19. And then we're done, bitches!
For real.
Hey, I'm a done man.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know why, but I don't. To me, this feels like sturdier.
It's just the paint to hold it up, though.
It is.
That's it. I kind of wish I had studs. You can get them. They're just more expensive. They're just expensive to get.
A Carrera. And like they have the right side red, left side blue.
Really?
And I was like, damn, that car is so fucking nice.
I just don't know
had
how
nothing
they
to do
work.
with shit. How they work?
Yeah.
I mean,
It just like screws onto the hub.
Really. What? You left
still the
it.
jack stand under?
I'm dead.
That's what that sound. I could hear a sound like.
Fuck all y'all.
At least you didn't drive. Dude.
Why not? I don't know.
Alright guys, time to go home, see you. I just hope it's stiff enough not to have like a shit ton of movement. I don't know.
I'd say Shinar. I don't know. Probably fine.
You would definitely suit up with the TV.
It was just a pain though, because he relied on us to work with it.
Oh,
Like,
damn.
okay, let's get this over with.
You gonna put the top up? Oh, shit. That's so fancy. Like. That clearance is sick. When he turns the wheel. Top.
It's not like something was dragging.
Huh?
Huh?
That's you.
Oh, fuck me, cunt. I was gonna say, I definitely heard something.
Nah, I think it's. I mean,
My only other theory would be you got too long of bolts in the rear.
In the rear?
Yeah.
Nah, it would lock.
Well, I mean, if it's just enough. You know that. That was funny as fuck.
What?
Too long of bolts. The car would move.
this end.
Alright, keep moving. Just do a brake stop, man.
Yeah.
It's definitely brake relief.
You get the pads though? Like, the pads are just shit anyway.
Yeah.
Is it loud or not really? No. I don't care. We're gonna do the pads anyway. Alright, so it's the next day. We pretty much got done on installing the springs on Andrew's Z4. It got him to the height that he actually loved, and that's all that matters. So it all ended up pretty well. It just had to take some adjustment to let it set in after installing the springs in it, and he scrapes a little bit. He scrapes a tiny bit whenever he hits a few bumps and stuff, but it might just be like the damping, or it just could be the springs itself, the quality on it. But I mean, like, overall, it's not too serious, nothing too bad, nothing too crazy. I was trying to film like a little roller, or you know, trying to get some clips on the look of the drive, of how the vehicle drives, and my camera died. So I mean, this camera is, I love this camera a lot. It's the Sony ZV-1, but the batteries do tend to die really quick, and I need to like carry some extra memory cards, because the one I have, it's a 64 and it fills up pretty quick with the amount of filming I get. But his next step on it, go for wrap, and I think he's gonna do the wrap himself with Tony, who was also in the video, giving Andrew a hand installing the coils. So I mean, like, I'm just been taking it slow, not rushing into it, not rushing anything else, you know, on the build on the E46. Going back to Andrew and Tony's location, probably like help them out, wrap the car, because that's what he said of what he's gonna do next on wrapping the Z4. I'm not gonna say what color yet, so that's gonna be like a secret, because I don't want to ruin it for him. So, but yeah. So yeah, I mean, we'll stay tuned for more of, you know, of his project coming along together. He really wants to get everything settled in before, you know, summer comes, and obviously definitely before Wolfscar comes this year for 2022. All right, so I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe if you can. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and stay tuned. Peace.